CNIB Foundation logo. How to help a customer with sight loss while shopping. With COVID-19 safety measures in place at restaurants, retail stores, and public spaces, it may be difficult for a person with sight loss to navigate independently and safely. This video will help explain how to help a customer with sight loss while shopping. Because sight loss is a spectrum, customers who are blind or partially sighted will need different levels of assistance to purchase items or navigate public spaces. They will know which approach is best for their needs. All staff, regardless of position, should receive training on how to interact with a person who is blind or partially sighted. This should include how to properly describe objects and how to properly sighted guide a person with sight loss. Introduce yourself and your position and ask if the individual needs help. It is helpful to speak in a clear voice and face the customer when addressing them. Always speak directly to the customer, not to someone accompanying them. A store clerk wearing a mask and gloves helps a gentleman with sight loss at a grocery store. The store clerk is picking items off the shelf and describing them to the gentleman. A customer who is blind or partially sighted often finds it helpful to touch a product to make their selection. A store clerk wearing a mask and gloves helps a woman with a guide dog determine which items she needs while shopping. When helping a person with a guide dog, it is easier to help navigate with a cart. This way, there is room for the person with sight loss to hold on to something and follow the store staff, while also keeping control of their guide dog. To learn more, visit cnib.ca. CNIB Foundation logo.